In this video, we'll learn how to create and manage working calendars in Enate. Working calendars can be used to help set accurate due dates for tickets, cases and actions, allowing specific working hours and non-working days like national holidays and weekends to be taken into account when calculating when work is due. This is done by linking a set calendar to a due date rule calculation. Let's take a look at how to create a new working calendar. In Builder, the calendar button can be found on the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. This will bring up the calendar screen and display a list of all system working calendars. Clicking on a particular calendar will open up its details on the right-hand side. To create a calendar, click the Add link at the top of the page. You can give this calendar a name, then a description, and select the appropriate time zone. In the non-working days section, you define things like national holidays or perhaps specific non-working days for a client company. In the working days section, you can specify which are the working days of the week versus non-working days, i.e. which days are the weekend days. And for each one, set what the given working hours are for this calendar. To set a day as a non-working day here, simply toggle the Enable button to off. You can then press the Save button at the top of the screen to save the calendar, which will then be added to the working calendar list. You can edit a working calendar by selecting it from the list, updating it as needed, and then hitting Save. Note that this won't affect any due date calculations already made which use this calendar, only subsequent ones. You can delete a working calendar by selecting it from the list and hitting Delete. And you can see when a calendar was created or deleted, and any edits that were made to it using the Show Activity button. You're also able to clone a calendar by clicking on the Clone button in the Edit screen. This will clone all of the calendar's settings apart from its name. You can make adjustments to any of the settings once the calendar is cloned, and then save as a new calendar.